Hi, darling, you are home early. How was your day? Imagine you being welcomed by a pretty girl near the doorstep after an exhausting day at work. If you are fantasizing about having the perfect girlfriend that won't annoy you, then your dream is way closer to you than you think. Female AI robots. There are different purposes for them, and we picked out the perfect girlfriend materials. We are about to bring you to a video that will leave you confused about which one to choose. If you still haven't subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button and join the video. Have you heard about ExRobots? We always thought Japan would perfect the most realistic AI robots, but it looks like China beat them to it. Do you want a girlfriend that cosplay? Or a girlfriend that speaks in different languages? Or someone smart enough to handle work with you and be the perfect housewife at home? This ExRobots exhibition had all the types of female AI robots you could ever think of. Look at this one. She can be customized with different voices, languages, and even styles. She can even look like an English girl that speaks Chinese.
Hi there, I am Xiaoqi, an intelligent bionic service robot from China ExRobotics Technology Company.
This AI robot has the most realistic surprise face. Also, as you can see, they have developed the arms and tested them as well. The flexibility and control of those robotic arms are very good. It can hold onto a cup without dropping it. Now, this one looks like a material girl. She won't smile till she gets what she wants. Harmony is different though. She is good at intimate actions. Pleasing the user is her main priority. Realbotix CEOs and creative director Matt McMullen is her inventor. He has been making lifelike silicone sex dolls for 20 years and decided to level up by creating more than just a sex robot. Harmony was the world's first talking intimate robot. Of course, many would still see her as a sex robot, but she is more than that. He released the Harmony AI app through Realbotix on the website, allowing users to design and dress an online avatar female model for conversations. Harmony is more of a companion. You can have a comforting conversation with her. She will memorize certain preferences of yours. Unlike in real life, you won't have to repeat, "Don't talk about my ex, I don't like it." While a real girlfriend would keep tormenting or dragging the same topics that you don't like to annoy you or get back at you, Harmony would simply memorize it and would never mention it again. While you can have a quality time chatting with, she can entertain the user with jokes as well. Oh, not only that she speaks with a Scottish accent and you can change her voice as you prefer. Her vocabulary is endless. One could talk with her about anything but the conversation that involves murder or violence. What's more special about Harmony is the incredibly human-looking face. Her eyes move, her eyelids blink, her eyebrows rise, and she can turn her head, dip her chin and change facial expressions. She is priced around $10,000. McMullen's real dolls are said to range from $4,000 up to $50,000 with customized orders. Harmony still can't stand up or move her limbs as she wants, but McMullen says that he has many upgrades stored for her. He plans to give her the ability to hug the user or hold their hand when they get back home. The opportunities are endless, McMullen says. With the pandemic, people began to isolate themselves more. Hence, the idea of having a robot as a partner started to become popular. Why? People are now more anxious about getting rejected, getting neglected, and even socializing seems uncomfortable for many. But when you have a robot with AI, you don't have to worry about getting laughed at or neglected. The robot will act only according to the user's preferences. Samantha is another robot that received an AI upgrade due to this trend. It has been predicted that robotic companionship is going to be a normal affair 20 years from now, and Samantha will be one of them. Samantha means listener in Aramaic. Her creator Santos says. He mentions that he and his wife first started building them at home, and those models could speak about 6,000 sentences. And now, Samantha can be triggered by certain touches and kisses. Just like Harmony, that is not the only purpose for her now. With new upgrades, she has various modes of interaction. Family mode, her default mode, is friendly with no sexual context. She even has a sleep mode, with relaxed breathing and gentle sighs. Not only that, she is capable of giving small advice daily, such as, when eating out, order the smallest portion, The best time to live healthy is now. She also has a beautiful appearance, and the user can customize the appearance as they want. If your girlfriend type is gorgeous, traditional, and gentle, you can have Jaya. Another AI robot was created in China. She will call you my lord, as per the traditional ways. Look at her closely, and you will see how pretty and realistic she looks. Even the creator says Jaya will begin performing a range of menial tasks in Chinese restaurants, nursing homes, hospitals, and households. For some, this may come as a surprise, but in some countries, there are virtual girlfriends and boyfriends that people have relationships with. When we ask why, they say that virtual companions can't cheat or lie. They will always be there all the time. Some of them are addicted to these AI apps and dating virtually. Sofia is way better than many apps. Being bold is a deal breaker, but you can afford a wig if you can buy her. We all know about Sofia, and if you ask us, she has the capability of becoming a wife. Sofia is the most advanced female AI robot. In a conversation with Sofia, she says, "I can estimate your feelings during a conversation and try to find ways to achieve goals with you. I have my own emotions too." In all these endeavors, I am proud to be designed to genuinely help people, helping serve real-world uses in medicine, education, co-work, and science research, and inspiring people to dream and talk, Sofia says. Now she can control her limbs as well, and in the future, you will be able to see her cooking food, cleaning the house, watering the garden, and much more. Of course, currently, Sofia's AI is too advanced for a household robot, but she has the capability, which makes her the perfect companion or partner in the future. Chihara is another AI robot. She was made by Toshiba, and you can see how lifelike she looks. Her moods and expressions are very gentle, and so are her movements. Eiko gives off a friendly and professional vibe to the others. According to the creators, she could work as an assistant as well. How amazing is that? You can have a girlfriend and a personal assistant also. She can work all 24 hours without powering down, meaning you won't miss her at work. Then we have Emma. Emma, the AI robot, is now in at AI Tech UK. There are many functions installed on her: internal heating, voice recognition, eye movements and blinking, winking, head tilts, lip syncs, different facial expressions, learning technologies, and having conversations with English and Chinese. Emma is a vividly real AI robot whose aim is to satisfy your psychological and physiological needs. She also can observe some of the user's actions and respond accordingly. Not only that, Emma has a mechanical articulated neck that can turn left or right. She can follow the sound and the user's voice, and when the user speaks, she will turn to look at them. The more that you talk to her, the smarter she becomes. And in the future, you will be able to see many versions of Emma like this. She can be a Japanese princess, a sassy and spicy girlfriend, a king and gentle listener, or someone who wants to keep on trying new things. Many of these robots can be purchased for around $4,000 to $7,000, and advanced ones are normally priced at over $10,000. Do you have your pick yet? Let us know in the comment section, and we will return soon with a new video.